Hello, Alabama. My name is Jose Schmidt. I am the Patient Services Director for Hair Transplants of Florida. I have the honor of representing Dr. Samuel Bada, who is a board certified cosmetic surgeon, been performing hair transplants for over 25 years, and has performed over 13,000 hair restoration procedures. We are very excited to announce our $500 travel discount to our Alabama patients. We know you have to do a little traveling to get to us, whether it's our Orlando, Florida Surgery Center or Fort Myers, Florida Surgery Center. So we are offering a discount to help you with that extra expense. We invite you to check out our results at www.hairtransplantsoflorida.com. We feel you're going to be very impressed with our before and after pictures. And we also feel you don't have to break the bank to get your hair back. If you compare our prices to national companies that are highly marketed on television, which is not cheap, you'll find out that we're about 30% more affordable, and I will match our results to them and anybody else in the industry. If you'd like a virtual free consultation, you can reach us at 855-855-4310. And again, you can check out our results at www.hairtransplantsoflorida.com. Again, my name is Jose Schmidt, Patient Services Director for Hair Transplants of Florida. We look forward to hearing from you.